Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to update WhatsApp on your mobile phone. So okay guys, the first things you can do to update the WhatsApp is first go to Play Store. Here in Play Store, you can search the WhatsApp on search bar. Okay, here search bar, you can tap this and search the WhatsApp. And now you can see the WhatsApp Messenger is not updated. To update this WhatsApp Messenger, you'll have to do is tap the update button on the right side to update the WhatsApp Messenger. And if you see the complete account setup, you can tap this and you can skip this by tap the skip button. And now your WhatsApp Messenger is updating and installing the new WhatsApp Messenger application updated. And now we have successfully updated the WhatsApp Messenger. And now you can open the WhatsApp new update by tap the open button here or go to WhatsApp application. Okay, that's it. We have successfully updated the WhatsApp on my mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.